Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through installing a motorized open roll roller shade as an outside mount. First, here's everything you'll want to have ready. A drill with a Phillips head or SQ2 bit, a Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, level, and a pencil. Next, let's quickly review what comes in the box. You should have your mounting brackets, screws and anchors, an idler pin, the bracket and screw covers, along with the roller shade itself. Before we install anything, let's confirm this is an outside mount. That means the brackets will attach to the wall or trim above your window opening, not inside the window frame. For this installation, we are doing a trim mount. Next, hold the roller shade up to confirm the placement of your shade set. Once it looks centered, use your pencil to lightly mark the left and right ends of where the valance will sit. Then, place the left mounting bracket in place and mark the two screw mount holes lightly with a pencil. Do the same for the right bracket. Next, mount both brackets using the included screws and tighten them until the brackets feel solid and secure. With both brackets now installed, use a level to ensure your brackets are leveled. If needed, make small adjustments until the level is fully balanced. Once your brackets are balanced, attach a screw cover to each bracket. Next, slide the valance idler pin into the bracket until you hear a click. Then, lift the open end of the roller shade up to the idler bracket and insert it. Then, seat the other end of the shade into the bracket until it fully locks into place. Once the shade is mounted, add the bracket covers to both ends to finish it off. Congratulations! You've completed the installation. If you need help pairing and programming your shade, watch our step-by-step videos for the Remote Plus and the Motion Blinds app.